Another example of a rational number is that, let's say it is written 0.1428571 it is equals to 1 over 7. It is a rational number, right? Like some numbers that can be written in the form of a fraction, they are called rational numbers. And then we have said that 0.01, 001, 0001, tetra 01, it is a non-terminating, non-periodic decimal, so it is an irrational number. Because I think that there are two types of numbers that actually should be explained in a very separate way. Number one is called rational number and the other one is called irrational number. The irrational number is actually that number which is actually cannot be exactly divided, because it is an unending number. And sometimes if you say that I have two numbers and they can be divided, then it means that we can have a certain definite answer. But if it is an unending series, then it is called an irrational number. And irrational number is actually, you may say that an unending series of numbers. But mostly it is said that in mathematics, irrational numbers are those that cannot be actually divided. And also the another example is 214.121122, and this series of number that is actually written, it is also an irrational number. Like as you can see that there is a lot of repetition. So if you see an unending series of numbers and there is a lot of repetition, that is called an irrational number. And 1.414213 is an irrational number. 7.320580 is an irrational number. And 1.70997597 is an irrational number. 3.141592654 is an important irrational number called pi, which denotes the constant ratio of the circumference of any circle to the length of its diameter. For example, if we say that we have this number which is actually called pi, it is equal to 22 by 7. And 22 by 7 is actually, pi is equal to circumference of any circle divided by length of its diameter. An approximate value of pi is 22 by 7. A better approximation is 355 over 113, and a still better approximation is 3.14159, because 3.14159 is actually, I think that it is an unending series of number in mathematics which is called pi, pi, and it can be just written as 22 by 7. It actually means, like, why it is called an unending series or continuous series or an irrational number, because I think it is important to note that when you see a circle, then you may say that it is an actually not an unending kind of shape, but it is a continuous shape, right? Like you just draw a circle and you see that that circle is actually has a lot of connecting points. And when that circle has a lot of connecting points, it means that you may say that there are a lot of continuity and there are a lot of connecting dots. And the value of pi correct to 5 lakh decimal places has been determined with the help of computer.